When choosing a new HVAC system for your home, one of the most important factors to consider is efficiency. Every unit has ratings, but what do they mean? Now, the SEER rating stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. You get this number by measuring the amount of heat removed and then dividing that amount by the total amount of energy used. Currently, all new air conditioners sold in the US must have a SEER rating of at least 14. The HSPF rating stands for Heating Seasonal Performance Factor. This is similar to the SEER rating, but it measures the performance of a heat pump instead of an air conditioner. Many heat pumps actually perform both functions, so they will have both a SEER and a HSPF rating. Currently, new heat pumps sold in the US must have a minimum HSPF rating of 8.2. The AFUE rating stands for Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency and is used to measure the efficiency of furnaces. It is measuring how much of the energy from the fuel actually goes toward heating the home versus being lost as exhaust. The current minimum AFUE rating for new furnaces is 81%, meaning 81% is being used for energy. Now, when looking for a new furnace for your home, you really want one with 90% or higher. And for more tips, visit ConditionedAirSolutions.com.